like a bum. Mama, I'm a millionaire, but I feel like the only one. I woke up early this morning. I don't think I heard me.
Our kitchen. Okay, the most important for me is the tea. Let's just see our collection here. Come closer, please.
Okay.
Okay, here we have a Polish tea collection. I'm not going anywhere without the tea, so we have pretty a lot, and all our coffees and coffee makers, and yeah, all the other stuff. So we have a really nice nice cubes for the shelf for the food. We can pretty much fit a lot here, which is great. And we have this log over here, and this one is our gas stove, the gas bottle. Here we usually keep some plates and pots, and we also have more over here. Yeah, we have like a wok over there.
I don't think I heard me. I woke up early this morning. I don't think I heard me. I woke up early this morning. I don't think I heard me. I woke up early this morning, but I still ain't seen the sun.
And so I'm just going through a few things that we built, some pieces. We've got our fridge that we put on slides. So you can just simply pop it in, slide it out, and then you can just lift it up, and it's cold.
Knoppers.
Yeah. Put the Germans on there. Put it back in.
And just lock, so
And
we
lock
can
it.
drive easily.
Yes. And now we go to the bed. So you just simply lift this up. You got some space under there.
Yeah. For the bedding.
Grab these pieces of wood that you can build anything really. That'll just slide in. Put it in there. Put it in there. Seen a lot of different designs, and this is just the simplest. You just drop it down. Slide it. These hinges will open up. Just like that.
Yay!
And that's basically the bed.
Mama, I'm a millionaire. C'est le fait, non, c'est l'affection. C'est perfection. Mama, I'm a millionaire, but I ain't moving in the right direction. Something ain't right. I know I ain't rich, so he is rich, so she is rich, so he is rich. So I ain't rich, so he is rich, so she is rich, so he is rich. So I ain't rich, so he is rich, so she is rich, so he is rich. So I ain't rich, so he is rich, so she is rich, so he is rich. So
when there is cheese, there are rats. Whenever there are rats, there are cats. Whenever there are cats, there are dogs. If you got them dogs, you got bitches. Bitches always tryna put them balls on your riches. If you got riches, you got glitches. If you got glitches and you're lacking Buddha, turn it up